So, the last day of the week, again, quick live stream. I have some issues with the live stream recently, therefore I don't know if it's popping out for you guys or not. Let me know in the comments. It's definitely not. I think there's too much traffic because now everybody at home and just in front of YouTube and other e-gaming things and other streaming services. Obviously, I think e-gaming are a great, interesting investment opportunity. But let's go into the market. We have like a half an hour left, and we are seeing basically the markets going down from, let's say, the Dow Jones just today. Highs was around 20,500, and now we are somewhere around 19,600, and so on. Also with other indexes, also the S&P minus 2.62%. Usually this is a very interesting moment because usually this stocks needed to be up, or most likely up, because of the expiring futures as well as the expiring options, and therefore it's a weak sign for the market in my personal opinion. Also you see throughout the week that actually the negative days are much bigger and deeper than the positive days, and therefore I believe, you know, this is something that is not positive at this stage. I think the upcoming news over the weekend will put a lot of pressure off the financial markets, and I'm very curious if we will see another Black Monday. And I'm still short, but let's discuss this later in the video. I just wanted to have a look what we want to talk about today in this stream. We also, let's talk about the Trump press release, the daily task force for this health situation, and I feel like there is not much of big news, especially on the health front. There's not big much news. If you know, he is asked about the ordered masks and so on, it's very vague, and people in hospitals are actually running out of medical equipment. New York City is warning the federal people about this, but it seems it's very hard to get it hands on. Also, I feel, you know, small steps are going forward. Like, for example, today it was just announced that the borders to Mexico are gonna be closed. So you know, a little bit of improvement over there. The recap of the week, you know, my personal highlight was Bill Ackman's interview on CNBC. If you haven't seen it, go on CNBC on YouTube here and watch this interview. If I'm looking a little bit, by the way, shiny or sweaty in the camera, it's not because I'm at this markets you could be a little bit sweaty, but it's you know, I'm enjoying a bit on the sun in Dubai, and obviously having a little bit of cream in my face, so it's not because of the markets. However, let us see what is important next week. I think and I don't know how the government in the US want to deal with it, but on the 26th of March, next week, there will be another weekly jobless report, and we have seen a spike from 220 to 280 this week, which was already big, but they announced, or they estimate that this will be double next week. So the upcoming week will be very interesting, how big of an effect this will be on the US economy. And also you know, I'm still shorting. I installed another DAX, the German index, short this today actually, because it was like 5-6%. I said, guys, you know, during why I love the German economy and believe it's one of the strongest one, I still believe we have a lot of you know, negative news upcoming, especially in Germany. Maybe on Saturday there's the German lockdown, which also will be, you know, heatedly discussed on the German news, so this will be pressure the market as well. I believe that other news about the health situation, especially in New York, I'm watching very closely. The mayor just announced shelter regulation, that you should be at home, and only essential business will be operating starting Sunday. Okay, so I think people will move also to other states, and maybe some affected as well, and will spread further. So all in all, not that good news. Therefore, I'm still a little bit skeptic. I don't see a bottom right now as well. If you ask my personal opinion, I think the news are very, very positive as well. I make another vlog about this if you're interested, and also watch the latest Tesla vlog that I just uploaded a couple of minutes ago. And therefore, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.